What if everything you've ever wanted, success, wealth, confidence, clarity, wasn't out there, but already inside your mind? What if your beliefs, your daily thoughts, your inner script, were the only thing standing between you and the life you deserve? This isn't motivation, it's reprogramming. In the next 10 minutes, you'll learn how to brainwash yourself in just 21 days and unlock a mindset that naturally attracts success. Why you need a mental reset narrator. Calm, direct. Most people live on autopilot. They wake up and immediately scroll. They compare, they complain, they self-doubt. Not because they want to, but because they've been conditioned to. Think about it. From childhood, we're programmed. Be realistic. Don't dream too big. People like us don't do things like that. That programming, it becomes your identity, and your identity controls your results. Every day we repeat thoughts we didn't choose. Every day we act out beliefs we never questioned. And over time, those beliefs become the story we call reality. But here's the truth. Your brain is plastic, not like a toy, but like clay. It molds based on what you feed it. Thoughts, words, repetition. If you change the input, you change the outcome. That's what this 21-day brainwash is about. Not manipulation, not delusion, but rewiring. The science of self-brainwashing, neuroscientists call it neuroplasticity. It means your brain adapts to what you consistently think and feel. So if you constantly think, I'm not enough, I'll never make it, I always fail, guess what? Your brain believes it. And it builds patterns to make sure that's your reality. Your thoughts literally shape your biology. They create neural pathways, like grooves in the snow. The more you repeat them, the deeper those grooves get. But here's the powerful part. Those patterns are not permanent. You can interrupt them, you can reshape them, and you can build new ones that serve you instead of sabotage you. This isn't fake it till you make it. This is repeat it until you become it. The process is simple. Interrupt the old script, install the new one, reinforce it daily until it becomes automatic. And that's where the 21-day formula comes in. The 21-day formula. Here's your exact 3-week plan to rewire your mind. Week 1, awareness and detox. This week is about clearing space. You can't reprogram a mind that's already cluttered. Step 1, cut the noise. Turn off negative news. Mute toxic people. Stop scrolling endlessly. If you spend hours consuming garbage, don't be surprised when you feel stuck. Your input becomes your inner world. So if you want clarity, you need to start with silence. Step 2, journal. Every morning ask yourself, what beliefs are holding me back? And don't censor it. Write it all down. The fear, the doubt, the guilt. You can't heal what you won't face. Step 3, create a mental mantra. I am becoming the person I'm meant to be. Say it every morning. Say it when you feel resistance. Say it even when you don't believe it yet. Especially then. This is mental detox. You're unplugging from society's programming, so you can plug into your own. Week 2, reprogramming. This week is where the shift begins. You've cleared the clutter. Now you install power. Start each day with 10 minutes of focused intention. Step 1, speak your affirmations. Out loud, with emotion, with conviction. Not just, I want to be successful. Say, I am successful. I attract opportunities. I deserve abundance. Don't just recite words. Feel them. Own them. Step 2, visualize. Close your eyes and imagine your ideal life. See the version of you that's confident, clear, and in control. What are you wearing? Who are you with? How do you walk? How do you feel? Feel it so strongly that your brain starts to believe it's already real. Because to the brain, imagined experiences light up the same circuits as real ones. Step 3. Guard your mind. Your environment is everything. Fill your social media with voices that build you, books that stretch you, content that uplifts you. You become what you consume. So consume intentionally. This is where you begin building a new mental operating system, one based on power, not fear. Week 3. Integration. This week, you become the person you've been programming. This is where belief becomes behavior. Step 1. Act like your future self. In small ways. Speak up in that meeting. Wake up 30 minutes earlier. Write that plan. Send that message. Each action is a signal to your brain. This is who I am now. Step 2. Build identity-based habits. Don't just say, I want to be productive. Start with, I'm the kind of person who plans the night before. I'm the kind of person who doesn't hit snooze. I'm the kind of person who follows through. Step 3. Use subconscious programming. Record your own voice, saying your affirmations, and play them while you fall asleep. Why? Because the subconscious mind is most open when you're drifting off. Let your future self whisper you to sleep. Let it sink in deep. You're not trying to force change anymore. You're living it. What to expect? The first week, it feels like detox. You might feel tired, irritated, emotional. That's the old identity dissolving. You're challenging beliefs that have been there for decades. So don't panic if things feel messy. That's progress. Week 2, you start to notice little shifts. Your self-talk improves. You feel less drained. You smile more. You start choosing things that support you. And then, week 3 hits. You catch yourself doing something different, saying something powerful, making a decision you would have avoided before, and it hits you. You're not pretending anymore. You're becoming. Not because the world changed, but because you did. Your mind is the battlefield. Every thought, every belief, every reaction is shaping your destiny. And the most dangerous belief of all is the one that says you can't change. But you can. You already are. You've been brainwashed your whole life by media, by trauma, by fear. But now, you take the controls. This 21-day journey isn't about perfection. It's about ownership. It's about stepping into the driver's seat of your own mind. So if you're ready to rise, to reset your programming, to think different, act different, and live different, then don't wait. Start today. Repeat daily. And by day 21, you won't just feel new, you'll be new. The old you was programmed by accident. The new you, built by design.